Question 1. Which of the following has proved helpful in preserving pollen as fossils? A. Pollen kit. B. Cellulosic entine. C. Sporopollenin. D. Oil content. The correct option is C. Question 2. It is much easier for a small animal to run uphill than for a large animal because A. It is easier to carry a small body weight. B. Smaller animals have a higher metabolic rate. C. Small animals have a lower O requirement. D. The efficiency of muscles in large animals is less than in the small animals. The correct option is B. Question 3. Which one of the following aspects is an exclusive characteristic of living things? A. Isolated metabolic reactions occur in vitro. B. Increase in mass from inside only. C. Perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. D. Increase in mass by accumulation of material both on surface as well as internally. The correct option is C. Question 4. Biological organization starts with A. Cellular level. B. Organismic level. C. Atomic level. D. Submicroscopic molecular level. The correct option is D. Question 5. The living organisms can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for A. Interaction with the environment and progressive evolution. B. Reproduction. C. Growth and movement. D. Responsiveness to touch. The correct option is B. Question 6. Angiosperms have dominated the land flora primarily because of their A. Power of adaptability in diverse habitat. B. Property of producing large number of seeds. C. Nature of self-pollination. D. Domestication by man. The correct option is A. Question 7. Organisms which obtain energy by the oxidation of reduced inorganic compounds are called A. Photoautotrophs. B. Chemoautotrophs. C. Saprozoic. D. Coproheterotrophs. The correct option is B. Question 8. What is true for photolithotropes? A. Obtain energy from radiations and hydrogen from organic compounds. B. Obtain energy from radiations and hydrogen from inorganic compounds. C. Obtain energy from organic compounds. D. Obtain energy from inorganic compounds. The correct option is B. Question 9. First life on Earth was A. Cyanobacteria. B. Chemoheterotrophs. C. Autotrophs. D. Photoautotrophs. The correct option is B. Question 10. The most important feature of all living systems is to A. Utilize oxygen to generate energy. B. Replicate the genetic information. C. Produce gametes. D. Utilize solar energy for metabolic activities. The correct option is B. Question 11. The book Genera Plantarum was written by A. Bessey. B. Hutchinson. C. Engler and Prantl. D. Bentham and Hooker. The correct option is D. Question 12. Study of fossils is A. Paleontology, B. Herpetology, C. Sorology, D. Organic evolution. The correct option is A. Question 13. Homeostasis is organisms. A. Tendency to change with change in environment. B. Tendency to resist change. C. Disturbance in regulatory control. D. Plants and animal extracts used in homeopathy. The correct option is B. Question 14. Employment of hereditary principles in the improvement of human race is A. Euthenics, B. Eugenics, C. Euphenics, D. Ethnology. The correct option is B. Question 15. Static concept of species was put forward by 1988. A. D. Candolle, B. Linnaeus, C. Theophrastus, D. Darwin. The correct option is B. Question 16. Select the correctly written scientific name of mango which was first described by Carolus Linnaeus. A. Mangifera indica Carr. Linn. B. Mangifera indica Linn. C. Mangifera indica. D. Mangifera indica. Question 17. Nomenclature is governed by certain universal rules. Which one of the following is contrary to the rules of nomenclature? A. Biological names can be written in any language. B. The first word in a biological name represents the genus name, and the second is a specific epithet. C. The names are written in Latin and are italicized. D. When written by hand, the names are to be underlined. And the correct option is A. Question 18. The common characteristics between tomato and potato will be maximum at the level of their A. Genus, B. Family, C. Order, D. Division. And the correct option is B. Question 19. Which one of the following animals is correctly matched with its particular name taxonomic category? A. Tiger tigris, the species. B. Cuttlefish, mollusca, a class. C. Humans primata, the family. D. Housefly musca, an order. And the correct option is A. Question 20. ICBN stands for A. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, B. International Congress of Biological Names, C. Indian Code of Botanical Nomenclature, D. Indian Congress of Biological Names. And the correct option is A. Question 21. Phenetic classification is based on A. Sexual characteristics, B. The ancestral lineage of existing organisms, C. Observable characteristics of existing organisms, D. Dendrograms based on DNA characteristics. And the correct option is C. Question 22. Biosystematics aims at A. Identification and arrangement of organisms on the basis of their cytological characteristics, B. The classification of organisms based on broad morphological characters. C. Delimiting various taxa of organisms and establishing their relationships. D. The classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of various parameters from all fields of studies. And the correct option is D. Question 23. Species are considered as A. Real units of classification devised by taxonomists. B. Real basic units of classification. C. The lowest units of classification. D. Artificial concept of human mind which cannot be defined in absolute terms. And the correct option is C. Question 24. What is true for individuals of same species? A. Live in same niche. B. Live in same habitat. C. Interbreeding. D. Live in different habitat. And the correct option is C. Question 25. The practical purpose of classification of living organisms is to A. Explain the origin of living organisms. B. Trace the evolution of living organisms. C. Name the living organisms. D. Facilitate identification of unknown organisms. And the correct option is D. Question 26. A taxon is A. A group of related families. B. A group of related species. C. A type of living organisms. D. A taxonomic group of any ranking. And the correct option is D. Question 27. Taxonomy without phylogeny is similar to bones without flesh is the statement of A. Oswald Tippo. B. John Hutchinson. C. Takhtajan. D. Bentham and Hooker. And the correct option is C. Question 28. Binomial nomenclature means A. One name given by two scientists. B. One scientific name consisting of a generic and specific epithet. C. Two names, one Latinized, other of person. D. Two names of same plant. And the correct option is B. Question 29. Linnaeus is credited with A. Binomial nomenclature. B. Theory of biogenesis. C. Discovery of microscope. D. Discovery of blood circulation. And the correct option is A. Question 30. The term phylum was given by A. Cuvier. B. Haeckel. C. Theophrastus. D. Linnaeus. And the correct option is A.